Telekinesis is hard but not impossible, but you know what's a lot easier is using the Force through your body. This is something Jedi used to do a lot, amplifying strength, amplifying stamina, amplifying speed. For everybody, this is a little bit different, but the basics are you've got to get an awareness of the Force in your body, feel it in motion, work with it in motion. This is why we talk about that Qigong so much. This is why a lot of us old-timers are saying go out and learn some Qigong, because you're learning to use the Force with movements. Those movements are not as important as learning to feel the Force in those movements. We used to talk about freeform Qigong, the idea that you could do this, you feel that movement, and then when you want to do a pulling in movement, you pull in, you want to do pushing out, you push out, when you want to pull in and then cleanse, or pull in and then cleanse. These are movements that are universally connected to the mind because they are visual representations of the movement of the energy. Once you learn to do that, you can learn to use the Force in the body by concentrating it or by increasing the flow to a limb. You can use it to regulate and slow down its movement in areas where it's too fast. A lot of people use that for lowering blood pressure. That's actually a skill I'm not as good with unless I'm focusing on it in the moment. The more you do it, the more practice you have with it, the better you are. You're going to find you have a natural inclination towards one thing or another, and you're going to excel in certain areas in this. A lot of people use this for pain control too, because they see the pain, they see it as a negative energy, and then they put other energy there to soothe it. So they see like a red bright energy, and they focus the Force as like a light blue, and it creates a soothing feeling overcoming that negative energy. A lot of this is visualization, imagery, and overcoming limitations that have been put there by other people, by people telling you you can't. Well, you can't. Well, you know what? You can. All it takes is a little bit of practice, a little bit of effort. Stop letting people tell you can't be a Jedi when you can. You can use the Force. It's not that hard. It just takes a little bit of effort. You got this, Jedi. Force guide and protect you.